Alrighty guys, we got our new Advantage 10K lift. I think the model number is like an AL-SC10, if I remember right. Let me look. It is a AL-10SC. It's enough to lift my truck, and obviously enough for the car. It's got decent pads. These are the same pads that Challenger has actually, so that's pretty sweet in my eyes. But I mean, you can see they're symmetric or asymmetric, so you can swing it out here. And this actually probably be about yonder. Put that about. About there. But yeah, no, it's pretty sweet. I mean, it comes with your door stops. It's not wired up yet, otherwise I'd run it for you guys. Not wired up. The guy that installs and used like a same MC wire that I used on the walls. That's right there on there. He just pretty much ran it from there, shot it all the way over, and hit the panel. But I'm trying to figure out what exactly I should do because, you know, this is, I think, SO wire is what it's called, if I remember right. And I don't know if I should come off of a box and then SE wire it down. You know, you'll have a little bit of floating room, which I don't know if I really like. Or if I should, yeah, I don't know how I should do it, to be honest with you. I just would like to have this plugged in to another dropout of SC wire, so that way you could literally just plug in. Doesn't have to be nearly, I mean, probably right here would be ideal. Pull it out, plug it in, and then have a dropout that way. But I mean, I could run like another thing of hat channel or unistrut. I'm not sure, but yeah, I don't know what I should do there. Makes it kind of weird, that's for sure. But I plan on just taking the wire, probably shooting up this truss, and then pretty much all the way across on the opposite side of this hat channel, shooting down, and then maybe here and to there. I don't know, not quite sure. But yeah, I mean, it comes with adapters, as you can see, risers for the pads, and the pads you can actually screw in, screw out. So like, so yeah, you can screw them in, screw them out. But yeah, other than that though, I mean, it's pretty nice. Haven't got to use it really. I mean, I've seen it go up once and that was it. So yeah, probably tomorrow I'll probably run and grab some more wire. I'm gonna need probably, I don't know, there's 12 foot, 24 foot, so you figure there's 36. And then probably another 20. So 56 foot of wire, so I might grab, like, I think they have 100 foot or 150 foot spool, so I'll grab one of those and then figure out what I'm going to do for the SO wire. I don't know. Yeah, I really have no idea. Unistrut, I don't know. Had to figure out something, that's for sure. I thought about doing it to the wall too, but I don't know now that it's been foamed and I'm going to put plywood up, because I mean, you would have, like, say, for example, a plug here. I mean, that's just kind of in your way if you ever had to come to this side of the car, so I'm not quite sure. So yeah, other than that, guys, I'll do some more wiring. So after this section of the video, I'll do some wiring and show you guys that, or some of that. and then I'll show you some of the videos that the installer, not really the installer did, but that I semi took of the installer just real quick. I didn't want them to be like, I guess, spooked by it, so I didn't really take much of him, just respecting that. So but yeah, I say we will start doing the wiring and kind of figure out where we need to go from there. So all right guys, we got the lift working. The installer did his part, and then weather dropped out here and I had to work some overtime. So but basically what I did was I just ran MC wire from the panel up, and I actually tied it in right there with the other MC wire that I ran for my lights. And then it came out, I put a little stud in here, if you will. This is just an enclosure with the wire running into it, and then a SO wire running down. You're supposed to have a disconnect of some sort, so what I did is you are the disconnect, so you can disconnect it right here, twist lock, you know, it stays tight. You can unplug it anytime you want to. Did a, I think, oh fuck, what is it called? I can't think of the name. So basically what that is it's like a finger or Chinese finger trap. If you guys remember those, you put your finger in it, it's hard to pull it out and you got to push it back together. It's the same concept, but it holds onto the wire so it can't drop out. They usually use it in, like, you know, big stuff like this, or something with pretty much like commercial or factories or something like that, you know. So yeah, we got the lift running, going. So this makes life a lot easier. You can do an oil change on the truck or the car pretty fucking easy, or literally anything. I mean, I'm 6'3" and the bottom of the bumper is to the top of my head. So pretty much I do have to crouch a little bit, but crouching is a lot better than if you were to be, you know, working on the ground. So so far so good. I mean, it seems like it's a pretty solid lift. I really like it a lot. Advantage, and I got to figure out, I'm a little off here, but I got a pretty good sized gap there. I say maybe a half foot, and then I've got maybe 2 foot there. So I need to set up some, you know, like you drive in, basically put, for the G8 anyways, basically put, you know, tape on the ground or something of where the G8 needs to be perfectly positioned to lift it. Because right here there's I mean, you can see what I'm talking about because I'm about to lower it. But this bolt is actually sitting, I mean, this rocker panel is plastic and you can move it and shit. So I'm not too worried about that, but it shouldn't be that way. You know, this arm should actually be, maybe the G8 should be pulled forward a little bit. If I had to guess, I mean, I've got the back legs extended out pretty far. So if I had to guess, the G8 needs to come out just a smidge more and over to this side. But yeah, I mean, that's it. So it looks good though. We will, I'll set this up actually here in about 2 seconds. So obviously you got me down. I don't know how well you guys will be able to hear me, but I'll go up a little bit and then back down. You can hear it hit like a ding ding, it's a lock. So I'll wait for that to hit and then I'll come back down on it. Coming back down, you have to go up, come off the lock, and then pull this top. So you're off the lock, then press down on it, and it'll lower. This one's not down all the way, so I'll just step on it. Give it a little persuasion with my body weight. And then you can slide it out. So, it does pretty good. I mean, I like it. It's a pretty affordable lift. I paid, I think, $2,500. Free shipping. I had to pick it up at a local freight yard though, because I don't have like a forklift or anything out here. So this thing's gonna be pretty huge in terms of oil changes on the car, or doing anything maintenance wise on the car, and then anything maintenance wise on the truck. So it'll be pretty nice, and then be able to use it for all the friends' vehicles, whatnot. So, or just little things. I mean, you can use a lift for quite literally anything, like toolboxes. I mean, I could have put the wheels on the toolboxes with the lift. Just jerry-rigged it somehow to lift it, but I mean, you can use it for anything. So, but yeah, guys, this is a Advantage 10K lift. They've had great customer service so far. They sent me 2 calendars in the mail. I seen on Facebook they had some calendars. I messaged them. I was hoping to get one, but they sent me 2. So I'll leave one in the house, and then I'll probably bring one out here. Calendars are just nice to have, but it's a classic car and a classic truck one, so that's pretty sweet in my opinion, and you can't really go wrong. So, all right, guys. Well, I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe if you guys want. Stay tuned for basically any of the other content I have coming up. It's going to be a lot more drag racing stuff. Now that I got the lift and I've got the toolbox set up, heat and AC is going to be in soon. So I will more than likely I have a camera, DSLR camera. So I'll put a tripod up, or attempt to put a tripod up in the corner, or maybe on the toolbox. That way you guys can actually see, footage of me doing stuff, or me and my friends doing stuff. And I think that'd probably be the best thing for the channel. So yeah, stick around for it, guys. Appreciate you. Bye.